well. Is it? Oh, yeah. There we go. Little Pine Island sleigh ride. Love it. Oh boy. Oh yeah. No, but I can see his that is a nice snook. Big trout. That crevalle. That's first. Nice job. Not bad, not bad at all. Oof. Beautiful fish. Love it. My first tarpon. Love it. Good morning, everybody. It's February 24th. I'm guiding for Gulf Coast Kayak again. They asked me to help them out again, so here we are. Today I have Brian and Kevin. Did I get it right? You did. All right, I got it right. I got Brian and Kevin. They are both from Minnesota, you said? Yeah. Both from Minnesota. Down here in Southwest Florida, enjoying the sunshine. And contacted Gulf Coast, and here we are. This is Pine Island. We're gonna find some trout, hopefully find a red, hopefully some snook, and whatever else we can find. I got some shrimp. We're gonna throw some plastics, see what happens. Oh, something was there. Oh yeah. That was me. All right, a little bit of an update. A couple hours in here. Kevin got a ladyfish so far that I know of. I'm gonna go visit him right now, but he keeps paddling away from me. I got Brian set up on a popping cork. Gave him a lesson on how to do it. I'm gonna visit Kevin here, do the same. Give him a couple shrimp, and hopefully we'll find a red. I did spook a red about 10 feet from shore, so there are reds here. We just got to find what they want to eat. All right, well, this is not a good sign. I got a dead fish right here, but he's not been hooked, so I don't know why he died, but that's one. So whether that's red tide or not, I mean, we don't smell anything, and we have plenty of bait around, so could have been a bird, you know, I don't know. It's just one of those moments. Oh yeah, today wind-wise is beautiful. Although a little bit of breeze would be nice, it wouldn't be so hot. But, ooh, there we go. That might be a trout. That's a trout. Come here. Yeah, they can be. Come on, get off. Nice little trout. Slip back into the water. Another trout. Nice. Oh yeah. Nice. Brian is on. Is that a trout or a ladyfish? Ladyfish. There you go. I wanna target them on a fly rod. 4-man tarpon. Yep. That would be fun on a fly rod, absolutely. And he's on another trout. That's a good size. $19. Now he would be, hold him up. He would be a keeper. Nice. All right, little midday update. Fish are being caught. Mainly trout and ladyfish. Saw a bunch of reds. I spooked a ton. Had one come at me, threw at him, turned right away. I saw a school of reds. As soon as I casted, dispersed. That's a little frustrating, but trout are biting right now. Brian's got several ladyfish and several trout. Kevin, same thing. Lots of ladyfish, lots of trout. So at least we're catching something. All is not lost. Still a beautiful day here in Southwest Florida. So we got a little bit longer to go here, and you know, we'll see what it brings. Pinfish. Yep. Dead pinfish. It was not eaten. It was not hooked. So whether this is red tide or not, I don't know. But that is a dead pinfish right there. That's disheartening. We've seen several dead fish already. There is reports, or there had been reports of red tide here. I mean, we haven't smelled anything. We don't have any problem breathing, but we do have some dead fish, so that's not good. That's definitely not good. There you go. Nice. Maybe that's the same guy. That looks about the same size. Nice. There you go. Nice little Pine Island trout. Pine Island trout in a pothole. Yep. They are. All right. Nice little trout. In you go. So as long as they're catching fish, you know, for the most part, they're happy. I mean, you do get those guys that they want a redfish, and that's all they want, which I completely understand because it is a fun fish. They are probably my favorite fish to catch here. Yeah. Oh yeah, I mean, it's such a challenge to find them, get one to actually bite. the sight cast one is a lot of fun. Oh, there you go. Yeah. They are fun. Another Pine Island trout. Here's a little guy. Real little guy. That's not a bad trout. That's not a bad trout at all.
There you go.
Oh yeah. Let's just see. Oh, come here, slime ball. Come on. Come on. Play nice, play nice, play nice. 15 and a half. Oop. Well, is it? Oh yeah. There we go.
Going for a ride.
Little Pine Island sleigh ride. Love it.
Coming towards you.
Oh boy. Oh yeah.
See it?
No, but I can see his
Ready to school me.
I'll tighten the drag a little bit.
Tighten it a little.
Yeah, I do a little bit. Little at a time until alright, try. Oof. I wonder if it's a shark.
Yeah, it might be. I just figured it was a jack.
Yeah, it could be a good sized jack. Just came off? Or it broke, yeah. Might have been a shark.
That was fun.
All right, so we're back at the boat ramp here. I want to thank you guys. And I just found out later through the day that they're actually brothers. So there you go. I want to thank you guys. What's that?
We don't like that. Either one of us.
I want to thank you guys for joining me today. Thank you for choosing Gulf Coast Kayak. And I had a pleasure. I hope you guys had fun.
Yeah, it was great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Next time you're in Southwest Florida, look us up, and we'll get you back out on the water anytime.
That's great.
So I hope you enjoyed yourselves. Thanks for hanging. Please like and subscribe. Please ring your notification bell. Please think about becoming a patron. And I like to thank my patrons. I'd also like to thank Gulf Coast Kayak for allowing me to guide today. If you're looking for a guide, please contact them. All the information will be above. And until next time, I'll see you out there.